Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you experiencing an issue with your iPhone where it is frozen and won't turn off? Or your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, iTunes logo, or in a boot loop? If you are experiencing one of these issues, don't worry. Today I will show you how to easily and safely fix it without losing any data using TenorShare Reboot. First, let's talk about the common issues. If your iPhone is frozen and won't turn off, or if it's stuck on the Apple logo, it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we have a solution that doesn't require a factory reset. The tool we'll be using is TenorShare Reboot, which is a powerful software designed to fix various iOS system issues. To get started, you need to download and install TenorShare Reboot on your computer. I'll leave the download link in the description below. Once you have installed Reboot, launch the program. You'll see an interface like this. It can repair 150 plus iOS issues like stuck on Apple logo and black screen, etc. And one of the best features of Reboot is that it allows you to easily enter and exit recovery mode just by clicking on a button. With this, you can also reset your iOS device to factory settings. So to fix iOS issues, click on Start. So here are two repair modes, Standard Repair and Deep Repair. Standard Repair can fix the most common iOS system issues without data loss. And Deep Repair can fix even more serious iOS system issues, but it will cause data loss. I suggest that you go to the Advanced mode only if the Standard mode fails. So click on Standard Repair. And connect your iPhone via USB cable. The tool automatically detects the model type of your device and display available iOS system version. You will be asked to download the latest firmware, choose a location where you want to save the firmware and click Download. To download the latest firmware package, wait for the firmware package to be downloaded. It will take some time due to about 5 GB firmware package. Once the firmware package is downloaded on your computer, click Start Standard Repair to start system recovery. It will start the repair process. The whole repair process will take a few minutes. After the repair is done, your iOS device will automatically reboot and all your data will not be erased. Click on the Done button to close the setup. You are ready to use your fixed iPhone. It's that easy. With TenorShare Reboot, you can easily and safely fix an iOS device that is stuck on the Apple logo, iTunes logo, or in a boot loop without losing any data. We hope this tutorial helped you fix your iPhone 14 Pro. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.